Hello, this is Muhammad Lihadi, Mason, and Muhammad Salah. We'll introduce the history of the lean manufacturing in this video. Let's start with a short introduction.
The history of lean manufacturing goes back to at least 1850 when Eli Whitney perfected the concept of interchangeable parts. The timeline above shows periods of major development and some of the key personalities. A.G. Toyota, Taiichi Ohno, Shigeo Shingo. The result of Taylor was time study and standardized work. Less chose for the customer like picture any color you like provided it's black. 1950-1980 Toyota changes its production processes. 1980s more Japanese cars than American in the US. 2000s lean are being used in other industries such as education, defense, health. Boss find himself in front many problem like global competition or rising cost of input. Lean manufacturing is a business philosophy that continuously shortens the time between customer order and shipment by eliminating everything that increases the cost and time.
Severe competitions in all walks of business. Firms face reduction in margins to keep the market share. Every little saving will improve the economy. Time for every available resource to perform the best. Operation cost reduction is critical to our survival. Profits equals price cost. Price dictated by the market and cost incurred by us. Cost equals activities involved. Virginia plus NVA. Lean is a factory thing. Lean will not work here. We tried it. It is another Kaizen event. 5S is all about cleaning up your office or workstation. We are different. It can't be applied to our business. It's an excuse to take our jobs away. Zero inventory.
The hard ones, typical, 15% growth in 1 year. 12% productivity increment in 1 year. 20% space saving in 1 year. 90% on-time delivery in full. 28% throughput lead time reductions. Improved supplier performance. Improved customer quality. Progressive muda elimination.
Specify what creates value from customer's perspective. Identify all steps across the whole value stream. Make those actions that create the value flow at the pool of the customer. Involve, empower and please. Strive for perfection by continually eliminating the successive layers of waste. The core principles of Lean. The core principles of Lean. Value is what the customer wants, when they want it in the expected quantity and quality. To establish the customer's wants, employ the QFD technique. To analyze the customer's wants using Kano model. In the graph, the typical company doesn't have improvement. When we pass to traditional process improvement, the value, reduce and a minor improvement appear. In the lean enterprise improvement, we have a major improvement by reducing the non-value. The value-adding parts of the processes are obvious, so companies mistakenly focus on trying to make them go faster. The waste is not obvious, so it is not addressed. Lean focuses on eliminating the waste.
What we need time to determine wastes.
1. Overproduction. 2. Inventory. 3. Waiting. 4. Motion. 5. Transportation. 6. Rework. 7. Overprocessing. How to remember the 7 wastes? Ask yourself, who is Jim Wood? The Lean House is the symbol used by its founders to explain the coherence and harmony of the Lean system. Lean Entrepreneur. Lean Startup. Lean Branding. Lean Analytics. Lean Chalking. Lean Service Design. Lean Enterprise. Lean Design. Don't forget, Lean is a philosophy, with its goal to increase productivity by systematic elimination of waste. Taking into account the importance of this management model, our company Medis has chosen in its strategy to adopt Lean to be at its evolution. A steering committee and a site team were set to implement this, as shown in the photo hereinafter.
Finally, since I am the head of the Lean Supply Chain Management project, you are asked to wait for us in second episode to show you the steps by which we have moved to the implementation of Lean in our company. Best regards.